Most people think better websites have more features. That sounds reasonable, but it's also the fastest way to make a website worse. We build small business websites that don't need maintenance. This is how we think about features for businesses that need reliable websites, not ongoing upkeep. When people plan a website, they start listing features: blogs, dashboards, contact forms, animations, just in case ideas. Each feature feels small, each one feels like progress. But no one asks what it costs to keep those features alive because the cost doesn't show up at launch. A feature is not just something a website can do, it's something the website must now support. Each feature adds responsibility. Responsibility means updates, compatibility, maintenance. Features don't end at launch, they begin there. Imagine buying a car. Each feature feels like an upgrade until something breaks. Heated seats don't matter when the electronics fail. The car didn't become better, it became harder to keep reliable. Websites work in the same way. Each feature is a system that can fail. More features means more things to monitor, more things to update, more chances for something to stop working. Problems don't arrive all at once. They arrive one email at a time, one problem, one fix, one interruption. Over time, the website stops being an asset. It becomes a problem you have to manage. Some websites need features, products, platforms, complex workflows, but most small business websites have one job: explain clearly, build trust, capture interest. More features don't help with that, they distract from it. More features don't make a website better, they make it heavier. Better websites do fewer things on purpose. Fewer moving parts, fewer obligations, fewer long term risks. Once you start looking at features in this way, simplicity stops looking like a compromise.